Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing again. There we got these two Hot Wheels 164 scale RC cars. We got a Cybertruck. It's been out for a while. And we got the new GMC Hummer that has just come out. I just done a recent video on the Hummer here. Done one on the Cybertruck probably about a year ago. I figured we'd do something a little different today. How about we race these things? See who's the fastest. I'll see you at the track. All right, we got the Hummer in white, got the Cybertruck in silver. Gonna be best 2 out of 3. Let's pull them up to the starting gate. Got the Hummer in the right lane, Tesla truck in the left lane. Fire out, lights, and they're gone. Looks like it was a dead heat off the track. Oh, looks like the Hummer pulled around him on the big end. Let's check the slow motion. And Hummer takes round 1. Round 2. This time we got the Hummer in the left lane, Cybertruck in the right lane. Do a little burnout. Bam. Looks like they left dead even. Once again, the Hummer pulls around on the big end. Check the slow motion. And Hummer takes round 2. Your Hummer is the winner. Best 2 out of 3. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos of 164 Scale Racing, please. Tell me if you want to see more races like this. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.